Respect is the most important element of our personality. It is like an investment. Whatever we give, it is returned to us with profit. One of the most sincere forms of respect is actually listening to what another has to say. Respecting someone shows the quality of your personality. Show respect even to those who don't deserve it, because respect is a reflection of your character, not theirs. Knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect. There is no respect for others without humility in oneself. Respect is one of the greatest expressions of love. Respect is not imposed nor begged, it's earned and offered. Respect your elders, and the world will respect you. Respect born out of fear is not respect. If you want to earn respect, just be honest. Respect people's feelings even if it does not mean anything to you. It could mean everything to them. Everyone wants respect, but not everyone is ready to give respect.